Multiplying fractions is not as scary as it might sound. To do this, we start with our fraction. So let's say we have 2/3 times 3/4. Now, some people will try to turn fractions into decimals and then multiply, but the problem is with something like 2/3, that's a repeating decimal, so you're not going to get a nice clean answer. Multiplying, however, is quite simple. You multiply your numerators together, and then you multiply your denominators together. So 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. These are your new numerator and denominator. And at this point, you will reduce your fractions, so 6/12. If you divide the 6 and the 12 both by 6, that gives you the nice clean answer of 1/2. Now, there may come a time that you'll have to multiply a mixed number. If that's the case, you simply turn your mixed number into an improper fraction. So for instance, if you're multiplying 1/2 times 5 and 1/5, you would just turn the 5 and 1/5 into an improper fraction. So this would be 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1, 26 over 5 times 1/2, and then the same steps as before. 26, because 1 times 26 is 26. Multiply your denominators. 2 times 5 is 10. And in this case, we can reduce by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2. And this gives us the answer of 13 over 5. And we can further turn this back into a mixed number. 5 goes into 13 2 times. Our denominator stays the same. 2 times 5 is 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. And there is your complete answer.